Let us find the value of square root of 102 without using a calculator. Para masolve ang square root of 102 sa paraan na wala calculator, gagamit tayo ng estimation method gamit ang perfect square na malapit sa 102. Step 1. Hanapin ang dalawang perfect square na malapit sa 102. Alam natin na ang square root of 100 is equals to 10. At ang square root of 121 is equals to 11. Dahil ang square root of 102 ay nasa pagitan ng 100 at 121, ibig sabihin ang square root of 102 ay nasa pagitan ng 10 at 11. Step 2, gagamit tayo ng approximation formula. Pwede natin gamitin ang formula na square root of n is approximately equals to square root of a plus n minus a over 2 times square root of a, kung saan ang n is equals to 102, yung number na hinahanap natin, at ang a is equals to 100, yung perfect square number na malapit sa 102, at ang square root of a is equals to 10. Now substitute the values into the formula. So, then we have square root of n, which is equals to square root of 102, is approximately equals to square root of a is 10 plus n is 102 minus a, which is 100, divided by 2 times square root of b, which is 10. Now simplify. We have approximately equals to 10 plus 102 minus 100 is 2. 2 times 10 is 20. Simplify again. We have 10 plus 1 over 10. Then we have approximately equals to 10 plus 0.1. So square root of 102. So square root of 102 is approximately equal to 10.1. Thank you for watching.